जय हिंद दोस्तों, welcome to another video of A Minute Refreshment. Today we will learn Government of India Act 1935 important features. I have made one punchline to learn these features of Government of India Act 1935. First of all, let me tell you the features of Government of India Act 1935. Burma and Aden separated from India. Franchise to 1/6 of adult only. Idea of collective responsibility is introduced. Indian Council of Secretary of State abolished. Federal Railway Authority established. Reorganization of provinces. Establishment of Federal Court. Federal Bank was established. Provincial autonomy means the abolition of directly at provinces. The abolition of directly at provinces means there was directly only at center, not at the provinces. All India Federation. All India Federation. Federation means the taking provinces and princely state as limit units. Directly at center. Two parliamentary chambers, the Lok Sabha and the Raj Sabha. Today we know that the parliament is divided into three parts: the Lok Sabha, the Raj Sabha, and the president. But in the Government of India Act 1935, the Council of State and a Federal Assembly is mentioned, that we also known as bicameral federal legislature. And there is also one unique feature of the Government of India Act 1935 was the separate electorate, which is extended to SC and Muslim. And in addition to that, the Government of India Act 1935 also provided separate electorate for Hindus, Sikhs, Europeans, Anglo-Indians, Indian Christians, and which later proved to be further an instrument of disintegrating India. Emergency and residue power to Governor General. No dominion status in Government of India Act 1935. Unlike Simon Commission, the Simon Commission report, which was tabled at 1929, they gave the feature of dominion status, but that dominion status is rejected in 1935 Government of India Act. And the last feature of the Government of India Act 1935 is the 10% of the population got voting right. And now I want to tell that punchline through which we can learn all the features. The punchline is: mad French adult of 16, CR of his class, whose father is secretary of railway organization, gone to court and then bank with auto, withdrawn money, purchased ration, dairy, parleji, and camera. His father told him separate money for emergency, so no Domino's burger for you for 10 days. Once again, I will repeat that punchline: mad French adult of 16, CR of his class, whose father is secretary of railway organization, gone to court and then bank with auto, withdrawn some money, purchased ration, dairy, parleji, camera. His father told him separate money for emergency, so don't no Domino's burger for 10 days. Here you can relate these features with the punchline. Here the mad, you can disintegrate that mad in two words. MA, that is the last word of MA, Burma, the last word of Burma, MA, and the AD from AD you can learn Eden. So the Burma and Eden separated from India. And this point 2, the French adult of 16 means the franchise to 1/6 of adult only. And this CR is, here CR is, as we know, the CR of our class, we used to call him the class representative. So we can relate that CR with this collective responsibility, CR. And then secretary, point 4, secretary, the Indian Council of Secretary of State, that is abolished. And the railway, Federal Railway Authority established, and this organization we can relate it with the point 6, reorganization of provinces. And the court, the federal court is established. And that point 8, the bank means that federal bank was established. Auto, from auto we can learn the provincial autonomy. And then the ration we can see the federation, all India federation. And then the point 11, the feature 11, diary, from diary we can relate dairachi at center. And then parley means parliamentary chambers, the Lok Sabha and the Raj Sabha. Here that 12 and 13 point is same, you can learn either of the word from parley or camera. If you learn parley means the parliament, the Lok Sabha and the Raj Sabha. And if you learn the camera, that camera belongs to the bicameral. Bicameral means two group of Council of State and the Federal Assembly, or the Lok Sabha or the Raj Sabha. And that point 14 or the feature 14, the separate means the separate electorate extended to SC, Muslims. And here from the note you can see the separate electorate is given to the Anglo-Indians, Christians, Sikhs, Europeans, Hindus, etc. And the 15th feature is the emergency. From the emergency you can relate the emergency or the residue power which is given to Governor General. And from no dominos we can easily see that the no dominion status in Government of India Act 1935. And 10 days is the last feature of the Government of India Act 1935. 10% of total population got voting right. That's all for today, friends. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Jai Hind.